Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
What's up YouTube? It's Enez back for another weekly vlog. So we're starting today's vlog on Saturday actually. I'm on my way to Lifetime today. It is a beautiful day outside. It's 82 degrees and I really want to go swimming. So I brought my swimsuits. I'm gonna go out there and get some laps in, and then I'll probably, I can't decide if I should do legs today as well because I don't know if I'm gonna be too tired. But anyway, I'm on the way to Lifetime right now. I have not worked out in a week, you guys, and I'm still sore. So anyway, let's get into this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we're getting into it, baby. Let's go. Oh, it's hot. It is hot, y'all. Oh my goodness. It is 82 degrees. Woo! Shit is hot. They tricked us, bitch. It's October 9th.
No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Checking me, but his game is kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me, cause I'm looking like class and he's looking like trash. Can't get
No, I'm getting thick. Wait, hold on. I'm getting thick. I haven't worked out all week, y'all. All week. Like, oh my goodness. But I'm still sore. That's what it looks like when I don't work out all week. Still have I have a little pudge, but that's okay. Oh shit. Y'all, have not worked out all week. But that ass look like it been working out. Hey. Just kidding.
Oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. If you have a shorty that you don't show love, oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. Wanna get with me with no money? Oh no, I don't want no scrub. Oh, scrub.
What's up, guys? I just left the mall. I finally got my watch fixed, my favorite work watch. I got a new battery put in. But tell me why I went to the first shop and the lady told me they were charging $69 to change my battery. She would charge me $69. And then she was like, oh, if you want the 1-year warranty, it's $39. $40? I know for a fact that the battery only costs $5. So what is the extra $70 for? I don't understand. So anyway, I'm on my way out of the mall because I told her no thank you. And she proceeds to talk trash about me behind my back as if I'm wrong for not agreeing with her prices because they're absolutely ridiculous. And then I went to another watch shop and the guy was so sweet. I walked in, he stood up, acknowledged me. Oh, the first spot I was at, the lady didn't even acknowledge me. I had to stand there in the damn corner, like waiting for her to say something while she was helping another customer. So the next guy, he was so nice. He was just like, what can I do? You know, how can I help you? And having good customer service. And he fixed my watch for 20 bucks. Even though that's still high, it really should only be about $10. I agree because he had good customer service. So moral of the story is, don't be out here expecting people to buy stuff from you when you have outrageous prices and terrible customer service. And then you want to talk about how people don't support your business. Like, sir, no. $60 to change a battery in this tiny little watch. This is a Michael Kors watch. What's up, guys? Today is Monday. Happy Monday. I'm on my way to a work event. It's right around the corner from where I live, which is good. So I woke up early this morning because I was so tired from yesterday. I did not get a chance to season my chicken, and I've been wanting to show you guys this chicken seasoning recipe that I've had for the longest time. So I finally am getting a chance to show you guys what I use to make this chicken, and this chicken is so good. Like, it's good for salads, it's good for wraps. It's just good to eat by itself. I mix it sometimes with eggs in the morning, make a breakfast burrito or something like that. It's so good. It's just a good chicken recipe. It doesn't necessarily have a particular flavor. It's just good, you know, just good. That's some good chicken. Like, it's that type of chicken. But anyway, I'm showing you guys that. And what else? Yeah, I'm getting ready to go to work, so I'm not gonna vlog anything at this event because it's a charity event. I might have like some pictures or something if we decide to do that, but it should be pretty fun. I am tired. What's new? What is new, honey? I don't know how y'all do it. Yeah, we went to a sports bar on Friday night. We got a bunch of wings and fries and stuff. It was delicious. Place that somebody at work recommended to me. We got way too many wings though. Devon ended up eating the wings, the extra wings, for lunch the next day. And yeah, so that was Friday. Saturday, I worked out, did my whole lifetime thing, and now I'm here. It's Monday. Yeah, I'm still trying to wake up. I don't know. I've been really sleepy lately. I get enough sleep, I get enough hours, but I've just been so sleepy. So I'm gonna drink my Focus Aid while I'm driving to work. Oh, not this. I could drink a highball. I probably should drink a highball. But I want to drink, I think I want to drink this because this helps me focus Aid. And it tastes good. It tastes really good. What's up, y'all? So as promised, here's my chicken recipe, my famous chicken recipe, husband approved. I'm dicing up my chicken breast and putting them in a bowl. I've got about 3 packages of chicken breast, so I would say it's about maybe 3 to 4 pounds of chicken total, and this is gonna last me all week, definitely until Thursday or Friday. So great recipe if you want to meal prep as well. So the key to getting the chicken very crispy is to make sure there's no water left in it from washing the chicken. I squeeze my chicken out with paper towels, and I squeeze all the water out so that it's dry and it can really absorb all the seasonings. That's definitely the key. All right, right here, I've got all my seasonings laid out, and I just go in, y'all. I try to monitor my salt, but I pretty much just make it do what it do, make it look pretty. I evenly distribute the seasoning on all of my chicken so everything gets a little taste. You know, I use onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder. McCormick seasonings are the shit, y'all. I love the McCormick the McCormick Montreal chicken and the McCormick steak seasoning are so good. Definitely essentials. I add a lot of the steak seasoning. I love it so much. It definitely gives your chicken that grilled taste. So highly recommend the McCormick seasonings. All of them are good. I love Miss Dash as well because they're salt free. And I've been using Tony's salt-free Cajun seasoning. So I add all my seasonings, and then I top it off with a spoonful of light sodium soy sauce. I use a spoonful of teriyaki sauce and a spoonful of Italian seasoning. That is how I get my chicken to taste amazing. Now, the key is let it marinate overnight with all the seasonings in it. At least 24 hours. You can do 2 days if you want. Now, of course, your chicken has to be fresh, but if you can let it marinate for 24 hours, Oh my goodness, it's so good. Perfection. Oh, and of course, do not forget to spray your chicken with some type of olive oil or butter or something. I use olive oil. I've always used olive oil. Actually, never tried anything else. I would recommend the olive oil. And then I actually fry it on the wok using vegetable oil. Just a capful of vegetable oil is all you really need to get that good crispy taste. Good morning, YouTube. What is up? Today's Tuesday. I am on my way to work. I plan to be there early today. Let's see. I don't have anything to say. I guess I'm on my way to work. It's Tuesday. Yesterday was really fun at the golf event. I'll insert some clips from that. It was very beautiful outside. It was very nice to be outside enjoying the weather. We had some drinks, we chatted. I met about 500 people, so I don't remember half of these people's names, but I will see them again and hopefully reintroduce myself and get acquainted with everybody at the office. But it was really fun. I had a great time. No complaints here. It was actually the best office event I've ever been to. It wasn't awkward, how a lot of events can be, and everybody was very friendly, so I'm excited for the future. I think that I've landed on a great opportunity here. Everybody seems very genuine and very much like me, so that's great. Let me go ahead and get my butt to work so I am not late. Office opens at 8:30. I will be there exactly on time. But yeah, guys, happy Tuesday. Let's get this vlog started. I think I need a caffeine detox, by the way, so no caffeine, no coffee today, just tea. No coffee, just tea. But yeah, my skin is looking pretty good. Last night I did a peel. I did the I did the Dr. Dennis Gross peel. And my skin is looking a lot better. It was looking pretty bad these past couple days. All this coffee drinking and drinking and wine drinking, and your girl needs a break. The liver needs a break. Anyway, let me stop blabbering and get on to work, baby. Let's go. Where did I get all this energy from? Yeah.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
I just got home. Where are you?
Turning left on coming back from the high bookstore.
Oh, okay. Alrighty.
So cheap.
Nothing. I was just calling. I was just calling to see where you were at and to tell you how my day was.
You had a good day?
Yeah, I did. I had a pretty good day. Yeah.
What's good?
I sent my first email, like, as a property manager.
Alright, you made a signature and everything?
Yep.
Oh, that's what's up.
Okay, I wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the work gym. They're playing music in here, so I'm not gonna talk too much, but yeah, this is it. Towel service, showers. I'm the only one here, so I'm gonna already running my shower, about to head out. Yeah, super nice. Love the shower head, that's super cool. I got damn near the same thing as Lifetime. This is exactly what Lifetime has, the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Everything brand new. And then the actual bathroom. Then we got the toilet area with the sinks, mirrors. Super nice. Yeah, guys, that's it. Full length mirror and everything. I am the only one here. Beautiful. What's up, y'all? It is Thursday. Just coming back to the vlog, touch in with you guys and give you a little update. So yesterday I joined the gym at my job, and it's a very nice gym for 30 bucks a month. It's in the building, and they've got all the equipment that I like. They've got the rowers, they've got Stairmaster, squat racks, dumbbells, of course, TRX straps. They've got everything. And I've been looking for a new gym because I actually resigned from Lifetime and I resigned from Orange Theory. So now I need to pay for my own gym membership. And I've been looking for a new gym. And this one's in the building, 30 bucks a month. They've got showers and towel service as well, which is really nice. So I'm like, okay, I'll try it out. They're only open Monday through Friday, so I think on Saturday or Sunday I'll just do some type of outdoor activity, which is something I really need to do because being in the office, I don't get a lot of sun. So I want to start doing more outside activities, like going for a walk, going for a run, I don't know, any type of outdoor workout, or trying another class, trying another studio. This Saturday I signed up for Stellar Bodies, which is a Pilates class. So I'm trying that. But yeah, guys, I am on my way to work. It's Thursday morning. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing great. Tomorrow is my first payday, so your girl's excited. We are going to the mall, baby. We're going shopping. I really need some new work clothes, like bad. I need new work shoes, new pants, and a couple of shirts because it's already week 2 and I'm re-wearing some of the same stuff I wore last week, which is not good. I need more stuff. I almost threw away all of my work clothes, y'all. When I left my last job, I really didn't think I was gonna go back to property management because I had so many interviews and nobody was calling me back. Like, I would go to second interviews and they would work out so well. They'd be like, yeah, we love you. Oh my God, you're amazing. And then I wouldn't get the job. So I had almost given up, but I'm glad that I didn't. So this is proof. Do not give up on your goals. I really feel like God has put me on this path for a reason. I don't think that all of these opportunities and awards and successes would have come without God, obviously. And me getting this job is just another testament to me being on the right path, because I've been going up in my career over the past 6 years. I've moved up and up and up, and I'm finally at a management position, which is awesome. I mean, it's amazing. For the past 6 years, I've been working my ass off, so it's amazing, and I definitely just thank God for that. But yeah, so let me go ahead and concentrate on this road, and I will check in with you guys later. If I don't talk to you or give you an update, thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you made it this far, but I'm sure I'll have a little bit more footage for you guys to close out the vlog. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed week 2. We are on a roll, and thank you guys again for watching. Love you guys. Bye.